Hello, welcome. In this video I want to show you how to easily allow a chatbot user to send you their phone number without even typing the phone number. It's a new feature that was released by Chatfuel like a few days ago. So let's go right in. Like the way we have a contact us page for the hotel chatbot we've been building from the start of this course. So let's say we have this message up, need our attention, please click on the button below, or to call our customer service department, or just send us your phone number by let me limit it to send us your phone number. And then we can have call us. Okay, then you have the phone number, let's say 234. Let's say this is the phone number of the hotel. And then right here we want to add a new Chatfuel plugin, the user phone number plugin. Just select it like this, and then you can set up an attribute for it, so that it's going to save the phone number. Probably you'll be sending it to a database or somewhere, Google Sheet or something, but right now we won't be sending it for the sake of this video. Let me tweak what is here. Please share your phone number. You may see a button with a generated number, or can manually type one in. So let's test this out and see how it's going to be. You remember earlier we cleared all the messages on the chatbot. Great. Need our attention, please click on the button below. Whoever clicks here is going to lead to a call application. If it's on a phone, the phone number of the company will just pop up where in the place where we usually type in the phone number, or this message, please share your phone number. This phone number, this is my phone number. The plugin will fetch the phone number from Facebook directly. The user is not going to type in the phone number himself. All he has to do is click on this button and the phone number is going to be sent to the hotel, and then from there probably the hotel can contact me and probably discuss with me with any inquiry I want to make about booking a room or any of their services. Thank you so much, and let's proceed to the next video.